Want to keep your WordPress site hidden from the public eye without taking it completely offline? Maybe you're building a site in private or getting things just right before a big reveal. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you a simple way to hide your WordPress site from search engines so it won't be found on Google, but still let people visit if they have the link. By the end of this video, you'll know how to keep your site under the radar while you're working on it or sharing it selectively. Alright, let's get right into it. The most effective built-in way to keep your site out of the spotlight while still leaving it accessible is by discouraging search engines from indexing your site. Think of this like putting up a no trespassing sign for Google and Bing, not for people, but for the bots that scan and list your site in search results. This method is perfect for situations where you may want to quietly share your site with clients or teammates, but don't want strangers stumbling across it just yet. Here, how you do it: start by heading to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center for your site. Once you're there, look for the menu on the left and find Settings. Hover your mouse over it and a list of options will pop out. Go ahead and click on Reading. If you can't find it right away, just remember, the Reading section covers how your site is presented to the world, so it makes sense that the privacy controls are tucked in here. Now, as the page loads, scroll down until you see a section labeled Search Engine Visibility. Here, the key part, you'll notice a checkbox that says Discourage search engines from indexing this site. It may sound a bit formal, but all it means is you're politely asking search engines not to include your site in their results. Take a moment here. If you're putting together a site that shouldn't be found through Google searches, this little box is your new best friend. Go ahead and check that box. You might be wondering, does this mean nobody can visit your site? Not at all. Anyone with the direct URL can still come see what you're building. But search engines, like friendly library staff, will respect your request and avoid listing your site in public directories. It's not foolproof. Someone could still share the link, but it dramatically reduces the chances of your work in progress showing up unexpectedly in search results. Once you've checked the box, there's one more step. Scroll down and click Save Changes. This makes your preference official. WordPress will now add a special note to your site's code telling search engines to steer clear. It's a good habit to double-check that you've saved, just to be sure nothing slips through the cracks. And that's really it. This process only takes a minute or two, but it gives you peace of mind that your site won't go public before you're ready. If you eventually want to launch your site to the world, just come back to this setting, uncheck the box, and save again. Google will start to take notice on its next visit. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you hide your WordPress site or keep it private during setup, give the video a thumbs up. Have any questions or need advice on WordPress privacy? Drop a comment below. I always check those and love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, friendly tutorials just like this one. Good luck building your site. See you next time.